pitch report time for this afternoon game here at the Gaddafi National Stadium. I've just taken a few minutes here with Hyderabad, who's the head groundsman, just to find out his expert opinion and his thoughts on how the surface is going to play. In the PJL, we are using pitch number 1 today, and it's the first time that we've used it in this competition. It was used twice against England, so underneath, well rolled and firm conditions. If you take it a look at it in face value, the best that I've seen throughout the pitches we've used in the competition. It's nice and dry, a few cracks there, which tells you that underneath the surface is hard. Tinge of green and a slight sparseness of grass also will just hold that pitch together. I expect what we've seen throughout the competition, seamers getting a little bit of bounce, a bit of movement, and the spinners as well, just getting the ball to slide on. We haven't seen too much turn. It's a fantastic pitch. I expect plenty runs out of here. The teams that have chased here have won more games, 2 of those, and one that's batted first and won the game. It's a good batting surface. I think the captain who wins the toss, doesn't really matter whether you bat or bowl first. The conditions are good. Make sure that you bat well in that middle period and make sure that you get the partnerships going. In terms of temperature, 31 degrees at the moment. It's pretty warm, but there's a nice breeze across the stadium. That'll make conditions ideal for the players.